Welcome to the SSI query screen. This is where you perform deep, event-driven analysis. Create custom queries to analyze sentiment and buzz around financial and non-financial events. Understand how those signals impact price to support better investment and trading decisions. Start by selecting a ticker along with a start and end date. SSI uses artificial intelligence to automatically surface relevant keywords, authors, influencers, and companies, helping you quickly build the query you need. The Set Weights feature lets you control how different data sources, like news, tweets, and blogs, influence your results. Adjust the weights based on your understanding of each source's fidelity and impact. Each query returns 4 key outputs. The composite sentiment heat bar shows overall sentiment. Source-wise sentiment breaks this down by data source. The sentiment versus price temporal view tracks sentiment alongside price over time. Filter results using the toggles by source and positive, negative, or neutral sentiment, so you see not just where the topic is mentioned, but how it is being discussed. The document panel lists all returned news, tweets, and blogs for download. Use the built-in GenAI bot to generate editable equity research reports. You can also run powerful sentiment-aware keyword searches by combining terms using and, or, and not operators to precisely include or exclude keywords. Switch between news title and news text views to quickly scan headlines or review full context. SSI uses AI to create default data quality weights. These weights amplify, attenuate, or filter tweets and blogs based on author credibility and content resonance. You can modify these weights based on your judgment. Configure sentiment-based technical analysis to gain early insights. Use technical indicators with sentiment instead of price and social buzz instead of trading volume. Align sentiment signals with price action to identify momentum or divergence ahead of the market. Customize the screen layout to focus on the insights most relevant to your analysis. That's it. You now have the tools to move from market overview to deep, actionable analysis. Start exploring SSI today.